This house in Ghana looked completely fine, but this one mistake could have burned the whole place down. I've inspected a lot of homes and most of them have at least one of these problems. If you're building or buying, watch this carefully. This was a real residential inspection in Ghana. Nothing looked wrong at first sight until we actually checked the electrical installation itself. This is one of the most dangerous things I see in Ghana homes. There's no proper earth continuity, no RCD or RCBO protection. What that means is if there's a fault, the electricity doesn't disconnect fast enough. And that's how people get electrocuted in their own home. It looks normal, but it's not safe. Now, this one is extremely common and very risky also. Instead of using proper connectors, the cables are simply twisted together and taped. This gets hidden behind the walls so you never see it. Over time, the connections loosen, the resistance builds up and heat builds up, and that's how the fires start. It's another issue I see all the time. Okay? Too many cables forced into a single breaker or sockets overloaded with extension blocks. Okay? The protection is no longer working properly. So even if there's a fault, it may not trip when it should. And that's an issue. You think you're protected, but you're not. Now the worst part is most of these issues are completely invisible. And that brings me to the biggest problem I found in this particular house. Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. AsherGad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much, much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. AsherGad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time. This house passed visually. Everything looked nice and clean, but no proper electrical inspection was done. No dead testing, no insulation resistance, no earth verification whatsoever. So on the surface, it looks fine, but in reality, it's a risk, a big risk. If you're building or buying in Ghana, this is what you need to understand. Most electrical problems are hidden. You cannot rely on what you see. And if proper testing isn't done, you're taking a risk, whether you realize it or not. I see these issues in all types of homes, not just cheap builds, but luxury also. And the reality is, by the time something goes wrong, it's already too late. If you're serious about your property, get it checked properly. It's not worth the risk whatsoever. It is not worth the risk. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. From God is Kemesia, and for me guys, Yebeshia. See you next time.